they are now with the car engine, and they with the card no car. Minua by ma. Ye Joe. What's the young fix here? Share the amoya and say, Mama politics or time I too much you. A cool father never will me at time more time mono. Say, Mama, na ye time. I say, Mama, say, as a gamu be a video bremo. A dear uncle. A dear who went to me anye. Wo, oh, one ye. No be a ye. What you couldn't do, somebody comes to do. Or said the awo went to me anye no be a no. Do obey to me by any more in your papa. In the Yanfa went to me anye no mra. Because unkwana Ghana yo dear. Nyansa bene wa deal with mama papa. Nyansa bene was our deal with. You want the country to be fixed. Adentia. Enjuma egugu. Etientin enjuma egugu. Enyinam kanea ne yede beye ejuma. Ama enjuma sebi ejine jina light and electricity. Ne yede beye ejuma. Ama sebi light aye ejuma na nkrofo aye ejuma enye ebi no. Oman bi anase president bi betna so a. Wo light bill a utua ma no. One fentua electricity bill no. Enu nti yetwa wo electricity mu ema wo da dum so wo cold store kakra na wo ye eseye o barber shop hairdressing salon eseye wo kura de na ye pure water adwuma bi na wo ye nti afidie no de ade be na ne rubber ne de ade be seal no eno na wo hia electricity de aye egu ye wo kura de nyame ye wadum o na sebe okọ cold store na wakofa ice nam na wo de akọ esan say cold store wura no na fidi asai na woni nam wo nti na wontumi nkokwan spo na wakofa ice nam ni bipo e na wakoton eno nti something needed to be fixed and to fix the country for mudika Dumsor&He good businesses, so we need it to be fixed. It is very important. It has to be fixed. How do we fix it? Then a president comes in. May you fix the country need. Electricity, a bon con. Nenya me aye madam. President be ebidia dear. President ni bedia dear was say edi entina yede dum so mi. O se sa dia me ko Nigeria. O ko Nigeria we ko hu Buhari. O se Buhari yenim se yede moka. Yesrew mame bosu me miensa. Me tuamu half ne. Na mbom mame bosu me miensa e ko nan mu no. De aka no me de beba. Na adia baako a me pese Ghana 40 ase ne say ansa na president Akufo-Addo eko hu Buhari ne na akasa no na obi president bi so ako Buhari ho ako sire Buhari the same thing o na me question na me bisa ne say aden na Buhari amfa ma no na papa bi so asoma delegation akopa Buhari cho say Nigeria gas ne bi etum ma yen na me kuro sebe yenya enyinam kanea emfa ye yadwuma na ye bre Ghana for me dey tia Buhari wan tia se no Buhari antia se because so be say Mr. Mahama o ka asem a odi so yes Buhari ohun say na Mr. Mahama be ka kire ne se obeba bitua ka ontua enti wa ma no Nenso Akufo-Addo Cåre Emma fix the country for Dumsor no mo say yen fix no ye fix ye Akufo-Addo anya Dumsor ne sa akeko o say aden na de bia ye nya power share the whole problem oh expert mon konko ye ho analysis ne yen hwe expert for ko ba ya asimo mo be kan ye ne say ye electric wire no Nkroma de say so a wejama NDC for no amba ye ni so da say ye ndware no one day po because ya na ye mpedware NDC for no half ye mpedware o de ya akomurali ase kohwe ye ho shrada wo pa ho sesi a wan hwa ubetwa hwe enti electricity power ye di gya ye nkrome di gya ye no NDC for bon modern say o man ye ho hwe na po ba ye no se ye ne saade a ye duma siesie said ye be ye nyinam kanea no e be fa ne ntoma pa afura na agina baby a ye hia extra transformers ye sisi transformers no wo ho udu kentampo side we bi wo ho o musi ne brand new de wo bogo so e be kuma ase ye si bi wo a e boa ma electric power na electric ayi ni na move correctly. May you fix the country ni 2017 e be chance ye no na me the Dumsor. It wasn't fixed. Na aban bi abe fix it. Emende unya light edem. I spent over 18 days in Ghana, didn't experience light off for 1 second. Metina ekura, metina kan say Kumase, meko Fenso, meko Accra, baby, meko Takoradi. Me who 1 minute of Dumsor. May you fix the country ni. Me pese Dumsor na Mahama di jaye no ye fix it. Nanko biya be fix ya. Sister Evelyn. And yet then you are not campaigning for the person that fixed the problem you complain about, but you rather insult that person. And to asumu mami o. Me Mrs. Adie face the country for we no me no. And to asumu mami. O president Aba Beton Graduate Unemployed Association. Aban bi kono. And or the sankrofo no eja no okọ ye say Graduate Unemployed Association for enkopa adwuma wa aban baako ho no o say onye magician na wa mom adwuma yo yate wo nya magician na wa mom adwuma de a ene pebibi ma yen na yen den yenkodi o say mo ya akwadwefo ye ni bibia ma mo nko sane mo maame no maboso say no mo ntiase so a ebo a ye frɛ no boy monko bobo ano na mon papai na ebo kura de obomoden apapai a wa mante a utie yi a ubenya 1 trip na wakoton ebo 1 trip na also with edidi. This was the solution given to Graduate Unemployed Association. I am fix the country. A government comes, institute something we call Nation Builders Corps, NABCO. You are a fix the country, like naturally you want the country to be fixed. Honestly, there are unemployed association graduates there. A president comes and gives those graduate unemployed association people, gives them jobs to do, employs them, and gives them 700 Ghana a month. Muti asemni yi pa ho, because men no maintain what their disparity is about. Ayana maintain ase. Aban number 1 say onye magician na wa ma wadwuma, so he didn't solve or fix the country. Another president comes, gives these same people jobs and takes them off the street. You are a fix the country advocate. Shouldn't the man who just fixed what you complain about be the person you campaign for? Why are you insulting him instead? Or are you people now exposing yourselves? Say, "Eya suma keke na ya suma mo, se mo meji skendi na mo nko jimi keke." Ana mu ankasa no munim say ye fix it na enso sebe and now say man yes sa munya views on social media, man yes say mun didi. Ah, Charlie, moment is serious. I will end today. Namafa. Just 3 calls. I gotta go do something.